Hello guys, I think only two of you are there, so we'll wait for some time so that other participants will join and then we'll start. Okay, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll wait for maybe for 5 minutes and then we'll start. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, correct.
Hello, this is Mir. Okay, but can you guys tell me you are from November qualifier batch or the new one?
I'm from April batch, sir. April 25th exam batch.
Okay, that means your qualifier hasn't been done, right? So
Not
you
yet.
are,
I have not written the exam yet.
yeah. Yeah, okay. So, but you have gone through all the this because I'm seeing, see, we are seeing very less number of students in this
No,
live
because
sessions
none
because
of
of,
us got the
yeah,
intimation, sir.
what none of us
The
of you got
email
the
or
intimation about this, regarding the live sessions you're saying,
yeah, for today's live sessions, that is 15th May,
uh,
it is not given anywhere. In fact, I came through the last week's calendar. I got the link and
uh,
I just wanted to see whether the class is there. So many of them are not aware that the class is there today. They were not
really?
informed. Yeah.
So nobody has got the intimation about the session you're saying. Okay, just wait a minute. Let's check. That's why you're saying that the
Yeah,
members are
yes, sir.
less, no?
Last week we got the intimation for Saturday class. Similarly, we got it in the WhatsApp as well as I think email. I'm not sure, but WhatsApp. But this week we
Okay,
didn't get it.
okay, okay. I will inform our team so that will. So that's okay. Just a minute. Can you then, if you know your friends in
I
a
can
circle,
put
you
it in
can
the
put
group, sir.
this
In
thing
our IIT group,
group.
I can put it.
Yeah, please. Thank you.
I'll do that.
Yeah, so we'll wait for next 5 minutes if someone will come and join because I'm seeing only a few people, four people I'm seeing here. Please, can you please put there into your
Yeah.
group?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks.
We have the other subjects classes also today, sir. Like last week.
What you're saying? Other
We don't
subjects
know,
class?
like
Mm,
statistics. We have see
mm.
computational thinking as well as mathematics. No.
So mathematics is already done, I guess. Computational thinking it's there today. Okay, I'll just check once. I will tell you the exact schedule. Okay, 1 minute. Just
Okay.
give me a minute. Mm. So you didn't get any information about the live session schedule this week.
No, we didn't get it, sir.
Okay, I don't know
Excuse
how
me,
it
sir.
has
I'm from
happened, but
the April batch, and in my calendar, it's visible, sir.
Oh, it's visible in your calendar. Okay. Let me check
Yes.
again in my calendar whether it has come now.
I'm from the April batch, so I've done the qualifier. So for me, it's visible.
For May 15th, it is
so
visible for you for this date.
Yeah, yeah, I'm able to see that there's a stats session right now, and after this, at 5 to 7, we have a CT lecture as well.
And the 7 to 9,
yes, yes.
Uh, no, there's no
79 is, yeah, 79 is there. Max
that is
1.
mathematics, sir.
Max 1 is there.
Max. Because
Yes,
I'm
yes.
going to copy
Yeah.
last week's thing to the and say that the same thing is applicable this week also. That's what I'm going to put it in the group.
Okay. 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 So shall we? Okay. If it is done, shall we start the session?
Yes, sir. It is done, sir. I have already informed them. And we put it in the group.
Okay. So yeah. So we'll let them join. Until then, we'll start the session. Okay. So any doubt if it is there, you can ask from week 1 also as well as week 2. And regarding grade assignment also, if anything is there for week 1, you can ask here. Okay, fine.
So it pertains to 1 and 2, sir.
Huh? Yeah,
It
this is
pertains
open
to week
session,
1
so
and
you
2.
can ask. Yeah, yeah, it is week 1 and 2. You can ask about it.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I had a doubt regarding
Good.
the VLOOKUP method from the tutorials.
Okay.
So, sir, in that, like the last example that sir has given
Hmm.
about the table and the seating arrangements and the dietary
Hmm.
plans. So, like he said that the VLOOKUP method will give us the first instance. So, how will we
Hmm.
get hold of the second? If we want to get hold of the second David, then what will be the formula for that?
Okay. There is no kind of like, if you wanted it, then you have to change whatever you have got, right. The first one, you have to change that, and then you can get the second. I also don't know about the how to get second. Only first instance you can get. You can't get the second instance by VLOOKUP method, as well as that horizontal lookup is there, HLOOKUP. So there also you can't get the second instance. That there is only one that formula which gives you only uh, the first instance of the whatever it is there. So okay, what we'll do is maybe so you guys are doing this kind of things. It's good because those questions are not going to come into the exams, right? But we are thinking that we'll conduct one session for the Excel sheet, not Excel, Google Sheets. So any formulas or how to use that, we'll see there. Okay. So yeah, I know that in lecture, ma'am has told that only you can see the first instance, right? But that VLOOKUP, that function is itself that it will give you the first instance itself. It won't give the second instance. As far as my knowledge, I don't know if anything is there again. So yeah,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
yeah, yeah. So anything regarding concepts or the grade assignment which has happened. Actually, I saw some of the questions in the discussion forum. So are you guys using the discourse? Are you able to use it properly? Anyone can tell, like, who, if you guys are, anyone is using the discourse.
Yes, sir, I'm using it and it's easy to use and
Okay. So, yes, last week I saw a lot of questions regarding the grade assignment in week one after the scores are out. So, do you find any difficulties in week one questions or something? Or those are ambiguous, or anything you find it? Because I saw people are asking about, I think, week 12, the question number of 12 or so. Yeah, sorry, question number 8 was having the problem, I know. So we evaluated that. In question number 8, I think two options were correct, and in the first score, whatever was released, in that only first option, only one option gave correct. So after that we changed it to two options. So I think you got the revised score after that. Apart from that, I don't find any ambiguities, but I saw some students were asking the questions on the discussion forum. Yeah. So do you guys have anything to ask here?
sir, I have from the week 2 practice assignments.
Okay, yeah, go ahead.
So week 2 practice assignment 2.1, question 10 about the two graphs of 2012 and 13.
Practice assignment 2.1.
Question 10.
Okay. uh, okay, I will share my screen first of all. Mm, okay, you are able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Question number 10. This one, right? 2.1, question number 10. Okay. Okay, this question, right? Yeah. So,
Yes, sir. Sir, I understood the basic logic that we have increased
ah,
the radius, but I'm
yeah.
still not able to work the entire
No.
problem.
Actually, yeah. So actually, what happened is, this question, we kept it at it. This time we kept as it is. Last time, if you know, the in the qualifier, if you are from the qualifier batch, the April qualifier, so we have removed this question in that, right? But this time we just kept it. This is only, this is not related to the concept. It is just the it is mathematical kind of question, right? If you change the radius and accordingly the proportion changes, and you have to solve the questions. But in real life, it is not of any concern, right? So you are saying, in the question it is saying that the area principle here depends on the radius of the pie chart, right? Actually, it is not like that. In actual practice, the this doesn't matter, that if you wanted to show the greater income than the previous one, you need to increase the radius. If you just change the angles here, and if you show the proper proportions of whatever the data or information is there, then it is a valid graph. So this is just a mathematical kind of question, that okay, if it is like that, then if your radius is increased by two times, it shows you the uh, what do you say, the more income than the previous one that is there. So okay, we will try to remove this question if you find it ambiguous, but I think it is pretty easy question to solve, right? For solving purpose, it is not a
Yes,
problem, right?
yes, sir. Solving
Yeah.
is easy. The statistical part, I was
Yeah.
confused. I'm from the April
Oh,
batch
no.
itself, so that time was cancelled,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
again it came. That's why
yeah.
I
It was
was
not there. Right.
so
It was
that.
not there at that time. Correct. So yeah. So actually, it was there in November qualifier. So after we got a lot of queries regarding that, so we removed in April qualifier. But this time we kept there. But don't worry about it. This is not the related to any conceptual thing. It is related only for the mathematical sake. So you just have to solve it by using the mathematical formula. Right? If it is the square, then what will happen? That's it. Nothing is there.
Okay then. So then there's no issue
Yeah,
about it.
yeah,
Thank you, sir.
yeah. Thank you. Okay. So, is there anyone from the November qualifier batch?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir. I'm from November
Yeah.
qualifier,
I'm
sir.
able to hear. Okay.
Sir,
So, are you? Yeah.
my question is not related to statistics, sir. What my question is,
Then. Uh,
I have not registered in January term, but I registered in this May term, sir.
okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Are you able to hear me? I'm able to hear
Yes,
you.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm
It is
able to
audible.
hear you. You can go ahead. Yeah.
I
So
got the
you
mail that,
registered for the May term, right?
yes,
Uh,
sir.
uh, uh. Hmm.
I have paid 3,000 rupees, sir,
Okay.
for 3 courses.
But okay. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Hello.
I'm able. Hello. Are you able to hear me? Hello.
Hello. Hello.
One minute. Others can hear me, right?
Yes, sir, we are able to hear you.
Yeah, I think she is having some problem. Network issues there, I guess. Hello. Are you there, Manti? Okay. Okay. Others, if you have any doubt, you can ask.
So mock test 1, the solution given is the questions I have do not have the solution. The solution is for some other set of problems I have received, sir.
Which one you're saying? Mock test one.
Mock test, yeah.
Okay, you are from April batch,
April,
right?
April, sir.
Okay, so
The first question is about
what
need
happened?
to
Like,
produce. Yeah, yes, sir.
okay, yeah, go ahead.
Whereas
First question.
solution they've given for mock test 2, but
Hmm.
mock test 1 they have not given, and even the solution doesn't pertain to any of the questions I have. I mean, 1, 2, or 3.
Okay, so you got only the solution for mock test one. You're saying, right?
No, I've not got the solution for mock test 1. But the solution I've got for mock test 2, it pertains to some other set of questions which I don't have.
Okay. So
Mock test 1 solution, it pertains. If I get the questions, then it would be good for me because I can do the problems first. When I have a problem, then I can see the solution.
Okay, then I will ask our team that what happened. What if there is any issue? They will. So you are able to access the portal of means what things are you going to able to access?
See,
Means,
I've got
week
mock
1 to
test.
4 and
Yeah, mock test
right.
one I had. Okay, what I wrote the test, but the solution pertaining to that is not there. Okay, they have given one
Okay,
mock
okay,
test one solution, but the set of questions are totally different.
okay. I
Two
understand.
and three are okay.
Okay, I will try.
I think,
For mock test 1, you are not able to get the same set of questions, right? You're saying.
yeah,
Okay, I
yeah,
understand.
yeah.
I understand. Okay, I will. Yeah, I'll convey this message to the operation team and then let you know, right?
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, so I also don't know, so I need to talk to them and then we'll
Okay.
get to understand that what happened. Okay, fine. Okay, so Malti was saying something. I have got the mail that pain. Uh, uh, okay, Malti, if you are hearing me, can you just send me your email ID which you have registered for this IIT online degree?
Sir.
Okay. So please share that to me. I will
Okay,
get
sir.
back to you. So I will send you one mail on that email ID, and then I'll discuss with my operation team. So you have registered for the November
Three courses.
qualifier. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, there and then you qualified that qualifier, right?
Yes, sir.
And then you register for this May term. You're saying,
Mm.
huh?
Hello, sir. Is it audible to you?
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, should I pay 9,000 rupees by tomorrow, sir?
No. Please, I don't understand what's the problem there, Miss. See, you have already
I,
registered for the May term. You're
in
saying,
this May term, I have registered, sir.
huh?
I have submitted the
So
correct family income certificate, sir.
okay.
But it was
So
rejected.
so uh, so your application was rejected. You're saying,
No, sir,
okay.
application is not rejected. Only family income certificate was rejected, sir.
Okay,
But
okay,
there is
and
no mentioning of reasons for
huh.
rejection, sir.
Okay, I
How can
understand.
I
Okay,
re-upload the
so
document, sir? I don't know.
okay, one please share your email ID. I'll just talk to them. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yeah. Please type there or or do one thing. I'll give you my email ID. Please send me on that
Okay,
your details. So my email ID is mayur@onlinedegree.iitm.ac.in.
sir.
So okay, okay, sharing with you privately my email ID. Just send me an email over there. I will see what I can do for you. Okay.
Can I share my email, sir?
Okay. Then share your email. Okay, fine. So this is your roll number, right?
Yes,
Accordingly,
sir.
okay. Just 1 minute. So I am sending you one. Okay. Mhm. This is correct one, right?
Yes, sir.
At the rate online degree.iitm.ac.in. But still there is time for registration, you're saying, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will check
But
and
but there
let
is
you
no
know.
option for registration course. They're not like limited the.
Okay, they will contact you, and you can just tell them. So that was whatever your problem is, and then we'll see what happens. Okay.
I mailed 4 times, but there is no response.
Okay, I'll check. Okay.
But tomorrow is the last date, 11 a.m., sir. In Telangana, lockdown is running, but now option to go outside.
Okay, understand. So what I will do is, I will after this session itself, I will contact them and ask them to contact you. Okay, fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
So if yeah, okay. 1 minute. Hold on for 5 minutes. I will just come. I'll just check what's
Okay, sir.
Okay, Malti, actually I have talked to the admin. So yeah, so they said that if you have the problem right now, you can do the registration by paying 9,000 rupees. Okay, and after that, like if you are registered, right, after that you can upload your income certificate, and then whatever the reimbursement will be there, they will transfer to your account. Okay, but do your registration first.
I
You
have
able to hear me?
registered, sir, in April.
So but what thing is pending right now? So you are saying some 9,000 rupees you have to uh, submit, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, I
No,
have
what's
paid 3,000 rupees at registration
okay,
time, sir, for
okay,
3 courses. I have submitted OBC NCL certificate and family income certificate
uh,
less than 1 lakh.
okay. So what is the problem
Then
right
I
now?
paid then I paid 3,000 rupees at that time.
Hmm.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
I paid 3,000 rupees, sir. But I
So
got the
it's
mail in yesterday, sir. You have to pay
uh,
9,000 rupees for the rejection of family income certificate, sir.
okay. Before 11, right? You're saying
Sir?
before tomorrow, right? You have to pay 9,000 more before, like, tomorrow morning, right? You're saying.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So do one thing. Yeah. So do pay 9,000 rupees right now, and then mail them your family income certificate again on the admin, and it will be reimburse you, like they will reimburse you that 9,000 again. But
Okay,
you have
sir.
already registered, right? So you have
Yes, sir.
already
Yes, sir.
registered now. so
Yes,
so
sir.
what they said that in the mail, that you have to pay 9,000, otherwise what will happen?
Just to say that pay 9,000 rupees. They have given the link, sir. That's it only.
Okay, 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 that's it. Okay.
But they gave only 2 days time, sir. How can it possible?
Mm, okay, again I will talk to them. But whatever the information I received is, they said that you have to pay 9,000 right now. So, and then they will again reimburse you. Uh, Still, I will talk to them. You have okay. Then one thing I will do is
But they are not mentioned that what are the
hmm,
reasons for the rejection of family income, sir? This is also I want to know.
okay. Please send a fresh mail today with your family income certificate attached with it. Okay, send them
Okay,
a
sir.
mail writing that I have already paid 3,000 rupees, and I am attaching the my family income certificate right now with this email, and with the same link, the link which is given, right, the mail you got, in that mail
Okay,
itself,
sir.
reply to that mail like this. So I have already paid 3,000 rupees,
But it is
and I am attaching, yeah, yeah, say that I'm attaching my family income certificate, and please consider this. I don't know why you have rejected my family income certificate. Okay, is it fine? I will try to again
okay, sir.
contact them and let you
Sir,
know.
your
Your
voice is
mail id is with me.
breaking.
Yeah, so your mail id is with me. I will try to contact with you through the mail. Okay.
Sir, your voice is breaking. I'm not able to hear you, sir. Hello,
Okay, okay.
hello, sir.
1 minute. Okay. So you understand, right? Please write the mail to them, and okay, we'll see what we can do for it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
No. Right now, don't pay the fee. I will see. I have your mail ID, so I will try to. Okay, just do one thing. I'm sending you privately my email ID.
Okay,
Just
sir.
check and just type me on. Just check. Please save this mail ID and send me an mail regarding this.
Okay, sir.
And one more thing. So after this meeting, just try to contact me over there, and I will I will talk to you about regarding it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So anybody else is having any problem regarding the content or
Sir, I had a doubt, sir.
yes.
Sir, in lecture 2.3, sir, Madam has
Hmm.
at the end mentioned how, like, when many categories are there with limited count, sir,
Hmm.
she told to gather all those limit. I mean, if there is only one unit of many
Hmm.
categories, she told to club
Hmm.
all those into other category and put it in the chart.
Yeah.
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Right.
Sir,
Right. Yes.
is there any other method? Are there any other methods to do such things, sir? To include full data, but represent it in a different, as Madam did it. Are there any more ways? I wanted to know, sir.
So yeah, one more thing is, ma'am said that you can do in the bar chart, right? She said that okay, very small categories are there, and lots of small categories are there, and in that
Yes, sir.
case, what will happen is your data can't be contained in a graph, right? The
Yes, sir.
area which you got, so that what they do is they will just club all those small categories and make a a small bar there, right? So that is the better method to do that. You can do in the pie chart also the same thing. See, what you can do is try to see if there are 1,000 categories, and in that, let's say four categories are such that they are having biggest proportion, right? And
Yes, sir.
all other categories are having the smaller proportions, so you can club all that information which is like all the small proportions, and you can just club them, and you can make it as a another other category of some whatever the proportion it is there, and you can represent it through the pie chart also. But in case
Yes,
of pie
sir.
chart, what happens is pie chart gives you the relative frequency, right? So you are not able to
Yes, sir.
get the informations like whatever the frequency regarding to that category, right? So that's why
Yes,
it
sir.
is better to represent it through the bar chart. It is possible to represent through the pie chart, but the best method to do that is the bar chart. So there is, you are saying like there is another way, that means see, those small informations are sometimes it might be useful, but whenever you wanted to represent through a graph, right? And you have the
Yes,
that many categories of like around 1,000 or something. In that case, let's say 950 categories are having very small frequencies compared to the other 50. So in that case, it
yes.
is better to club them all and just mention it as the others. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, in others, should we mention how many categories we have clubbed, sir? Or is it okay to put others or
Yeah, you can put it as others, or you can put it as others dash and what number of category. It is your choice, right? You can write
okay.
as you wanted to convey the information. For example, you are a service provider and you wanted to convey some information to your clients or customers, right? So
Yes,
what
sir.
is others is there, you can put it in another way also. So that is the one way
Okay.
to show that okay, these are the categories. You can show that, you can say that others representing number of services or something, kind of anything you can put it
Okay.
there. There is no problem.
Okay, sir. We
Okay.
can put two bars like that also, like, sir. as madam told, many cricket players are there. We can from
Huh?
all the small players. I mean, small means
Mm.
people who are having
Mm.
less fan. When one fan is
Okay.
there, we can
Okay.
segregate all those one fan players into
Mm.
bowling players and batting players, and put it in
Mm.
as a other bar. No, sir, we can put like that also.
Yeah, so you can say that other bowlers and other batsmen, kind of. You
Okay.
can do it. Yeah,
That
you can do it.
yes, sir. That
Yes.
is what I had a doubt that we can do it like that.
No, no, you can do it. See, whatever ma'am has mentioned there, right, in the lectures, the lecture is the best practices while doing the graphical summary. It is,
Yes,
these
sir.
are the best practices. It is not compulsory that you should mention like that. You can show your data whatever way you can do, but the important thing is if you uh, the if you what do you take care of these best practices, it will be representing the proper data. That is the thing. It's not like whatever you are saying, and if it is correct only, the graph you are showing is correct only, but it is not best, right? Because if you
Okay.
have the smaller category, 1,000 category, you can show it, right? And no one can say
Yes,
that
sir.
is a, because whatever the information is there, you have put it there. But the
Yes,
thing
sir.
is, look wise, it is not good, right? It is not
Yes.
obeying that. What do you say? It is not aesthetically
Right.
good. So that what you are doing is you are clubbing all the small information into the one data. Okay, so that's why
Okay,
the
sir.
lectures names are like best practices in the graphical summaries.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
It should only serve the purpose. That's it, no, sir.
Yes, 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 that's it. Yeah, it should convey the right information in a right way, in a proper manner.
Yes.
That is the thing. Yeah,
Yes. Thank you, sir.
yeah. Thank you. Okay, so how how was your preparations are going on right now? Like, you are able to cope up with this week 1 to week 4, like again the refreshment of this thing. It's not a difficult thing, right? Right now.
Yes, sir. Or what is it, sir? Is it for the April batch you're asking or
So,
the present batch?
yeah, yeah, like both of the batches have completed their week 1 to week 4, right? So
Yes, sir. Week
you
one
can
and
answer
week two
anyway.
is okay, sir. I mean, the main
Okay.
point was
So
the
the
descriptive and
hmm,
inferential, and most of the classes they have solved it. And in practice assignment, that 11th,
ah,
12th, and 13th regarding the median mode, whether the jersey number
ha, ha,
come
ha.
to median. I mean, that has been
Yeah,
explained
yeah, yeah.
several times.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
we
It is
still in
already
the
explained in
concepts.
the both the correct, correct,
Yes.
correct. Yeah. So it was already explained in the previous batches also. So yeah, you guys are having a lot of content regarding this. So that's why we are seeing very less numbers right now. Yeah, but
Yes.
maybe from week 5 onwards, yeah, people will gather. We'll hope. Yeah,
The
this will be
3
the
and 4
new.
might
Uh,
be a bit difficult. So standard deviation and
yeah, might
variance.
be, and
Yes, because we need more
yeah,
practice for
variance
that.
and then by correct, correct.
By
So
series.
yeah, but I think biserial correlation coefficient is correct. So okay, and one more thing is from week 5, all the content will be new to you guys, right? That's
Yes,
why
it'll be new, sir.
from there,
Yes,
I
yes.
yeah, then we'll I think we hope that lot of students will participate in these live sessions and they'll
No,
yeah,
sir.
I
Last week
think
also there
we
are a
hope
lot of
that
people. The only thing is the communication was not there. So that's a reason I think
regarding
because
communication in the sense
in the sense even I was not aware
you're
about the
not
class.
the
I just took a chance and I opened it because
really, but
yeah, I didn't have get any communication. Only by chance I just opened it to see whether today we have a class.
पापा की वीडियो बढ़िया है
but I already checked with our administration. They said that you guys are getting the WhatsApp messages regarding this. You're not
No,
getting it.
last week we got it, but not this week. In fact, I have forwarded only last week's message to the group saying it is for the 15th. The 8th class is,
Okay.
we have similarly,
Hmm.
we have it today also. We have class today.
Hmm.
Because someone had
So
raised in the
can you
group
just,
whether we. Yes, sir.
yeah, so okay, I'll try to I will contact them and I'll just clarify what has happened. So one more thing is, do you have any idea how many students were there last time, if you
Last
have
time
joined there
around 50 to 60 were there. At one point, I think 80.
for open
No,
session?
in the beginning it was more, sir.
Okay, open session you're
Yeah.
saying.
No, we are
And
included only
so
for
I will,
the Saturday session, not open session. Yes,
okay, correct, that open session. So
we
you
don't
are
come for
from
all
one year
the
batch, so
classes.
correct. I understand. So maybe due to that there might be the confusion. Yeah, I understand. There are two batches, right? Yeah. So
Yes.
you are there involved in the open session. Okay, I understand. So yeah, we'll try to solve this problem. Okay. Thanks for the information.
Thank you, sir.
So, but I don't think, yeah, a lot of students are there. So, if anybody is not having doubt, then shall we wind up the session? I don't think that a lot of people will come there to the session. Hmm? Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. I don't think the same number of students I'm able to see. Yeah, and regarding the Malti, okay, I will contact you after this session and we'll try to solve this your problem. Okay. Okay. Otherwise, so we'll wait for some, let's say, 10 minutes, and then if we'll see how many students will join, and then we'll wind up. Fine.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, am I audible, sir?
Hello, sir. Actually, I'm sir, I'm student like you. I'm also asking for sir, but sir is not replying. Hello.
Sridhar, do you want to say something?
Yes, sir. I was
Yeah,
having, sir, I was having doubt about the medium.
median.
Yes, sir. I am unable to figure out median work for which data and not for which not.
Okay, okay. So median is you can see uh, if you know the basic definition of median, median you can use for the ordinal data. Ordinal data in the sense there should be some order. For example, suppose until week 2 we have the categorical data, right? So in the categorical data, okay, I'll just give you the example. Tell me, is it the ordinal data or a nominal data? Fine. So suppose uh, I'm going for any you know shopping, and so you are going for a shopping, and there are the there are lots of shirts are there, right? So you can
Yes.
say they are available in the shirt sizes medium, small, large, extra large, double XL kind of thing, right? So this is ordinal variable, means that shirt size is ordinal or nominal,
Ordinal variable, sir.
right? Because there is order, because small is
Greater
like
than
sorry,
medium.
large is, yeah, large is greater than the small, extra large is greater than the large, right? In that sense. But for example, I went to a bookstore and I purchased the books. I purchased the geography book, I purchased the history book, I purchased the linguistic book, and these are the books. So these books is my variable here is book, right? In that variable I have purchased different books. So this is nominal or ordinal.
Is nominal
For
variable.
example, history book, right? Nominal, because we can't say history is greater than geography or geography is greater than history, right? Because there is no
Yes.
order. So whenever there is no order, you can't arrange them in a ascending order, right? So first of all, the data should be ordinal. You're clear for that, right? If you wanted to find a median, you have your data should be ordinal. So I'm sharing you my screen. I will just show.
Okay, sir.
The studio team, who is there? I'm not able to share my screen. Please allow that button, share button enabled. Okay, okay, okay. I think there is problem in share button. So yeah. So what I was saying is, can you just tell me? Okay, until now it's clear, right? If there is some
Yes.
order in the data, you have to arrange. You can arrange it in ascending or descending order. And if it is the nominal data, you can't arrange, right? So
Yes, sir.
for finding the median, your data should be ordinal. Now let's say there are 10 persons who are going to buy the shirts, right? So they bought 10 shirts, right? Now the sizes are uh, M, M, L, XL, again M, again L, again XL, again kind of. So let's say there are four four small shirts, then three large shirts, two XL shirts, and one double XL shirt, right? So I wanted to arrange this. So there are 10 persons. They can buy in any order, right? For example, first person goes, he bought the small shirt. The second person goes, he bought suppose uh, extra large shirt. The third person medium. The fourth person small, like that, right? In any order it can be. So if you wanted to order in ascending order, how will you write that? Four persons, first of all you will order in like small, right? Let's say four persons bought small shirts, so S will be there, equals 4, or you can order it like this: S S S S 4S. Then again medium, medium mm 2 medium, then large LLL 3 large, and 1 extra large 1 XL. So this is the order, right? You are getting my point. 1 minute. If I am able to share my screen, is it possible? 1 minute. I'll just.
Hello, sir.
Sridhar, they might, yeah, they will look into it. Until then, until this point, you got it or not? First of all,
Yes,
tell
yes,
me
yes,
the
I
thing.
got it, sir. Now I
Or
understood.
what is the specific doubt?
No, no, I understood now how median works, sir.
Yeah,
Just
so
the data have to be ordinal if you have to find
uh,
median. If the data is not ordinal, then we can't find median of that data.
correct,
Am I right, sir?
correct. Yes,
Then
yes,
the
correct,
median is
correct.
not defined for that data.
Correct. Then the median is not. If for nominal data, median is not defined. It should be ordinal.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then you have to arrange that into the order. Like small, the frequency related to small is 4, so you have to arrange it small 4 times. The frequency related to medium, then medium, then like that. And then if there are 10 shirts, then you have to divide it by 2. So the fifth and sixth observation, whatever it will be, it is your median of this data, right?
And sir, I have one more doubt.
Hmm.
Like if the fifth and sixth data are not same, they are
Hmm.
different, then which will we have to take into consideration?
Then in the categorical data, right? In the case of categorical data, both are the median. It can be the
Like
smaller
our
and it can.
like our fifth
Huh?
data is Excel and data is medium, then both are medium.
Fifth data is, it cannot be fifth Excel and the sixth medium. It will be like maybe fifth medium
Yes,
and
yes,
the
yes.
sixth Excel. Yeah.
Fifth is medium.
So
Uh,
yeah. Uh, then both can be considered as the median. Both can be considered as median.
okay, then we have to select both the like medium is
Yeah,
also
if there
median.
are both options, yeah. If in the question both options are there, you have to choose both. If in the question only one option is there, you have to choose one. Okay,
Okay, okay. Understood.
got it right?
Yes,
Yeah.
okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, sir, as you are teaching Google Sheets also, sir. So will we be having any test on that, sir?
No. Google Sheets, they are only for your information. Like you can. So we wanted to actually introduce you some of the functions, but it is not included in the quizzes or qualifiers. Definitely not. So
Sir, but
you have to just go through the concept. Hmm.
sir, but
This is the
if
extra information that you have to study.
okay, sir, but if we, I mean, only by seeing videos, we won't be able to remember it, no, sir. So if any real world data is
Yes.
given and any activity questions are given, we can practice those techniques, no, sir.
Okay. Then what we'll do is, if you wanted to do the practice, what we'll do is, we'll give you one dummy data set. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
maybe okay, Monday we'll release the data set on the portal, and then you can
Okay.
practice on that data. So you
Yes.
can find from whatever things, like you can find the average, you can find the like whatever ma'am is teaching in the lectures, you can go and apply those functions on that data, right? So okay,
Yes,
we'll
sir.
do that. We have a data
Yes.
set, and we'll share it with you. And
Yes.
apart from that, also, if you wanted to have the data, right? So, ma'am, as I think told you in the chapter, that there is the websites called
Data.gov.in.
mygeo. Yeah. So there you can go and you can download the data from there, and you can use the data also. Apart
Okay.
from that, there are certain websites. For example, Kaggle is there, Analytics Vidya is there. You can go there. Lots of data is available there, so you can
Okay.
take those data and you can. But yeah, you can do that. But still, okay, for your practice purpose, we'll provide you a data. Okay, on
Yes.
Monday we'll release it.
Sir,
Okay, fine.
you said
Okay.
other websites also, sir. I couldn't hear.
See, yeah, so one is Kaggle. So okay, I will write it in the chat box. You just if you want.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, Kaggle. So these are the popular websites you can see, and this is open source, so you can go and download the data from there. You can use the data for exploring. Okay, you can get it
Okay.
into the Excel sheets also. Yeah, you can go there and you can download it from
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
there. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Prajwaljit Tiwari, he raised hand.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, my doubt is in activity question 2.4. Question number 4.
Activity question. Activity question 2.4.
Question number 4.
Okay.
Activity
4.
2.4 is question number.
Okay. I'm just opening it. Give me a minute. Yes. So here, why is the graph plotted in figure, right? That question, right?
Yeah.
The share of
Yeah.
votes in the election of the United States of America is misleading. Yeah. So
Yeah.
what's the doubt here?
Sir, I think it is both missing baseline and manipulated y-axis, but the option, right option is only missing baseline.
Yes. So why you are missing baseline? It is clear. That is clear to you, right?
Yeah,
Because it is not
because it
started
is
from
not,
zero.
yeah, not marked 0
Correct.
at origin. But if they
Right.
be
Right.
marked
So why you
0 at origin,
are?
then after 0 it is next mark is 30. Then
Directly
it is
30.
not,
Yeah.
yeah, then it then
Yeah.
it
Yeah.
is manipulated
Then
y-axis.
correct. In that case, it is manipulated by axis, right? But here, what happens is, it is not start. Means in the graph itself, it is not shown that it is started from zero, right? If it is started from zero, then 30, 35, right? In that case,
Yeah.
definitely it is the manipulated by axis. But it is not started. That's why we didn't give that option, the second one, or the last one. So
Yeah,
in that case, you are correct. See, yeah, in that case it's correct. If you are saying that it is, if it is started from zero and directly it shows 30, is there is a difference in scales, right? One is 0
yeah,
to 30, the same scale is having 30, and then the next scales are like only 5, 5, 5. So yeah, if it is the case, so in that case, but in that case, right, if it is started from zero, you can't say it is a missing baseline, right?
yeah,
Because the missing
yeah,
baseline means the graph should start from zero. In and if it's the same graph, if it is started from zero, in that case it is
yeah,
only the manipulated wax, it is not a missing baseline. So in this case only one option can be correct, either the missing baseline or the what say manipulated
sure.
y-axis. But in the graph it is not started from zero, so it is not it is the missing baseline, not the manipulated y-axis. Correct.
Yeah. It is started with 25, and it is 25 and 30 goes like that, then it is missing baseline.
Missing baseline, yes. So
If it is
if it is happen to be, yeah, if it is happen to be like a missing baseline as well as the manipulated y-axis, right? Then in that graph it should not start from zero, first condition, so that it will be the missing baseline. Then suppose the first the what do you say, the first scale is 30, then 35, then it is 45, then it is 60. So if there is a difference in the scales ahead, then it is
yeah.
manipulated axis as well as it is missing baseline, right?
If it is
Right.
marked at origin 25, then it is only
Mhm.
missing baseline.
Missing baseline. Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah. Okay,
yes.
thank you.
You got it right.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, okay, okay. So yeah. So others also, you didn't get any information regarding this live session.
We got
Sir,
information about the live session in calendar.
sir,
In
we also
calendar,
got
but you didn't get the notification.
No, we also
WhatsApp
got
message
in
also you got.
WhatsApp. We also got in WhatsApp.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Okay, understand. Thank
we
you.
got to know this session through WhatsApp, sir.
Okay, 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 fine, fine. Okay, okay, understand. Okay, so do you have any doubts or?
Sir,
Huh?
sir, as
Yes.
you mentioned the two websites, no, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, can you suggest any communities like these in data science where we can practice like open source, like GitHub is there for coding, no, sir. So,
Okay.
for data science, are there any websites or communities where we can practice and share knowledge, sir?
So the Kaggle is the kind of open source only. You can share there and yeah, but the thing is, it is kind of competitive, right? But there you can use the things. It is not like GitHub, but
Okay,
yeah. So okay, but see, right now if you're not, you know, how do you say? See, do you know coding right now?
C I know, C and Java a little bit I know, sir.
Okay, so yeah, so nowadays most of the data science, right? They are using the Python and R, right? Or
Okay,
yeah, Python is most preferably using this programming language. So in the next semester you will be having that Python also, and from there you'll go to
okay,
the machine learning. So there you'll get to know lot about it. So here if you get your statistics stronger, then you
yes, sir.
can learn the Python and you know the coding, so that very easy for you to learn Python as well, because Python is kind of simple language compared to this C++ and Java. So
Yes, sir.
if you are knowing about the C++ and Java, you are definitely able to easily grasp that Python, and after that it is very easy for you to do the machine learning problems. So I will
Okay,
see right now what you can do is you can download data, you can use the data for you know taking the inferences, for example, or summarizing it, for example, writing down the means of different first of all try to understand what are the categorical variables, what are the numerical variables, then what operations you can do on that. You can
yes,
start studying those things first, and then
okay,
as you go to the next terms, you'll get to know about Python, and then you can get to know about the machine learning. But still, if you wanted to study it, you have the time, then you can go through those websites, you can download the data, and you can, if you know about the algorithms, machine learning algorithms, you can apply there and you can study about it. But if
okay,
you don't know
okay,
that, I will
okay,
suggest you can wait for it. Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Thanks. Yes. Yes, Malti. Yeah, I got your mail. Yeah. So I will.
the graph is violating.
I was not able to hear you.
The graph is
Mhm. Mati, I'm not able to hear you properly. Uh,
Sir,
yes, yes, Sridhar. Yeah, so Mati's doubt is how can we, 1 minute. So she said, how can we consider a graph is violating area principle? So if you have, let's say, whatever information you are having, for example, let's say you have the information about the number of students in a class who got some different grades. For example, 30 students got the S grade, 20 students got let's say A grade, 15 students got B grade, kind of. So you have that information, and you have the suppose you have the blank paper and you wanted to show it graphically by using the bar chart, right? So for, let's suppose you have extended the y-axis too much and you have extended the x-axis too much, right? And you are using your the data in a small amount of area. The same you the whatever the information you are having, you are showing it small compared to the area which is shown to which is given to you to draw the graph. In that case, you can say that you are violating the area principle. For example, if you see, ma'am has told you the or taught you in the lecture that there are different wine brands are there, right? So they show yeah. So you can show by using the, you have to show your correct information. Whatever the information you are having, you have to show the correct information there, and whatever the area you are having. So you should not show it exaggerating. So sometimes what they do is the companies, you see the advertising company, what they show is, okay, very small data is there, they'll show it is as a large data, and they'll say, okay, uh, my product is this product is having a lot of popularity or something. So in that case, you can say it's violating the area principle. uh, okay, I think see, the problem is I'm not able to share my screen and I can't show you right now. I wanted to
Yes,
draw it from
got
the
it, sir.
graph, but yeah. So
Yes, sir.
whatever the
Thank you,
area
sir.
you're having, yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, the Prajwalit is asking 2 points. Which of the following operations can be valid for categorical variables? Addition, subtraction, comparison, multiplication, division. No, the answer is incorrect. So it's okay. What is the problem, Prajwalit?
Sir, sir, under category variable, we have a nominal and ordinal both. In ordinal, we can add and subtract. Then value only completed.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. In ordinal, how can you add and subtract? For example, you can you add the small plus medium?
Oh, sorry, it is a interval.
Yeah,
Sir. Oh, sorry.
yeah. So you have studied that numerical variable until week
Yeah,
two. It's your categorical variable. In categorical variable, you can only perform this greater than or less than.
Yeah,
Only
in
two
interval
operations
is-
you can. Comparison operator you can. Yeah.
in interval
In
space we can
in that
perform
you
addition.
can.
Yeah,
Yes.
addition and
Yes.
subtraction.
Correct.
Oh, sorry.
Correct. Yeah, it's fine. So, if you guys are not having any doubts, shall we wind up? Because I'm seeing only 4 people here, and I don't think a lot of people will join. I guess. Shall we close the session? Okay. So Malti, I'll get back to you. Okay. Okay. Okay then. If okay, then I'll wind up the session today. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.